Today is all about the lemon bars. Alright, Christmas is sneaking up on us really fast. And so today I'm going to show you how to make old-fashioned lemon bars. They have been around, I couldn't tell you how long, and the ingredients are so simple and minimal. They don't take a lot of time. And my girls absolutely love lemon. Anything lemon. Like I did a lemon pie for Thanksgiving, and Randy will put that up there in La La Land somewhere. I don't think I do it. I don't know anything about it. But anyway, he'll find you the lemon pie. The lemon bars I do for Christmas. And some I give away, and some, my kids eat. And my boys, and Randy, they're all about the chocolate. Anything chocolate. It doesn't matter as long as it's chocolate. But ladies first, lemon bars. See how simple these ingredients are? You're going to need some all-purpose flour, some sugar, some salt, some baking powder, some powdered sugar, 1 lemon, 2 eggs, and 6 tablespoons of butter. You can't get any simpler than that for such a wonderful tasting dessert. And you're going to need 1 8x8 dish to bake it in. All right, we're going to set this oven to 350 degrees. And now we're going to start on our crust. All right, we need 6 tablespoons of butter, which is to there. And we're going to drop that there. And we are going to whip that until it's good and creamy. Just the butter. All right, there's your creamy butter. Now you want 1/4 cup of sugar. And you want 1 teaspoon, a half. We don't want salty stuff. 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to beat that until it's nice and fluffy. All right, now I'm going to take all that and put it down in the bottom of the bowl, off of the sides. Like that. And I need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. It's kind of been fluffed a little bit. Put that in there. And we're going to beat it some more until it's all incorporated. Okay, and it's nice and crumbly, but it's all together. And we're going to put it all in this 8x8. Okay. I know it looks crumbly, but it is. But all that butter is going to make the best crust. So we're just going to lay that out. Try to make it level. And then we're going to pat it down. And I do it with the bottom of my measuring cup. That always seems to work really good for me. Oh, and the reason I use this wax paper is so that when it gets done, I can just take it right out. Easy peasy. All you want to do is just make sure that it's packed good and tight and as level as you can get it. And like I said, the bottom of your measuring cup works great. See, just like that. Then we're going to put it in that 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. All right, the first thing we're going to do is beat 2 eggs together. Now we want to beat those 2 eggs. You want to beat those eggs till they're nice and frothy. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. This is a 1/4 measuring cup. I'm going to put 3 of them for 3/4 of a cup. And 3. And we are going to beat that until it's nice and creamy. There you go, nice and creamy. Right, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of zest. Okay. Okay, and there's your 1/4 teaspoon. It's not very much at all. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut and squeeze that lemon because I need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. If only I had one of those fancy little lemon squeezers. Now let's hope I got 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1, 2. Exactly. There we go. Couldn't have done that better. All right. Now we need 1/4 a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to give all that a good mix. Okay, and we're going to beat this for about 3 minutes or until slightly thickened. Okay. Okay, my 3 minutes and I'm slightly thick, not super thick, but that's where I want it, right there. All right, my 15 minutes are up. And all I have to do is pour my lemon batter over the top. Now we're going to take it and put it right back in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. It just depends on your oven. You'll have to watch it starting at the 25-minute mark. All right, you guys, my 25 minutes is up. And we're going to pull that out. And we're going to sit it right there. And we're going to let it cool down just probably about 15-20 minutes. And then we should be able to cut it. All right, now, that powdered sugar that I never used, now we're going to use it. We're just going to put like a tablespoon and a half And then we're just gonna look at that. Just a little bit of snowflake. Everything you want in a bar.
You ever had them lemon drops when you was a kid in them blue and white boxes? That's what that tastes like to me. And that's real lemon too. That ain't no lemon juice out of a bottle. It's a good one. I'm out of here.
See you in the next video. Bye.